Hi, my name is Ranjan Majumder. In my last tutorial, I explained border image, gradient, column, and text overflow. In this tutorial, I am going to explain display table, table cells, table rows, and grid properties. Let us try to explain these properties using an example. Here, I am erasing this code, saving it, and in style, I am erasing entire code. In case of table, I am replacing it by div id tab. I am replacing div all tier by div, okay, and all td by div also. Here I am erasing button code. I am saving it. The div which was tier before, I am using class row. Now I am copying this portion and pasting here. I am saving it. Now I am opening this demo page. You can see. Okay, I think I wrote caption here. I am erasing this code from here. I am saving it and I am refreshing the web page. You can see the output here. We all know div is a block level element. That is the reason all content are showing in separate lines. Now I am writing. You can see the outer div id tab. So I am using as tab display table. I am saving it. You can also see this is class row. So this div, you can see there are three divs. These three divs will work as row. So what row? We all know to identify a class we need to use dot. Here I am using display table row. A developer can use table column also. I am saving it. These divs will act as table cells. That is the reason I am using another class and giving content as name. I am copying it and paste here. If this div acts as table, if these three divs act as row, obviously all these divs within class row will act as table cell, and you can see the class of table cell is content. So I am saving it and I am writing down the CSS for the content class. Here I am using display colon table cell. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. I think I did a mistake here. Okay, here I am using 6. Here I am using width colon 100%, and I am erasing this code. I am saving it and refreshing it. You can see the width of table, that means the div which will act as table is 100%. So you can see the output. So what type of output you have got in table, you can get the same output using div. In that case, a developer should use display table row, and display table cells. A developer can also use grid and table column as their requirement. If I use grid here, what will be the output? I am saving it. I am refreshing it. You can see the output. In case of table, if a developer use with 100%, then it will show 100%, and in case of display grid, it will not show 100%. That is the difference between table and grid. Now the next topic of CSS is keyframe. Keyframe is an interesting property of CSS. At first, I am erasing these codes of CSS. I am saving it and I am erasing this code also from HTML and saving it. I am using a div without any content. I am saving it, and in case of div I am using properties with 100px, height 100px, and I am using animation property of CSS. Here I am giving a name of animation slide in. This means slide in is the name of the animation. The duration of the animation is 3 seconds. I am saving it, and I am writing keyframes. Keyframes identifier. What is the identifier? Identifier means the name of the animation. Here the name of the animation is slide in. So I am writing slide in here. Now I am using from and to. This is the basic block of keyframe. In case of from, I am using background color red, and to I am writing background color green. So within 3 seconds, this background color of this div will be changed into background color to green. I am saving it, opening the demo. You can see the color is changing. Okay, but after 3 seconds, the div is disappearing. So here I am using infinite. So the keyframe will work for infinite time. I am refreshing it. You can see the color is changing, and color is changing from red to green. This is the basic keyframe or basic animation I have done. A developer can make a good animation using keyframes. So at present I am using a different technique. Here I am using 0%, and in case of 2 I am using 50%, and I am changing the animation duration. Okay, remember animation is the shorthand property. A developer can use animation name, animation duration. So animation is the combination of animation name and animation duration. Here in keyframe, a developer can use 0% and 50%, 75%, 100%. So in keyframes, a developer can write code for different timestamps. Here I have used 2 timestamps. I am writing border radius 100px. You can see the div width is 100px and height is 100px. In 50% timestamp I have used border radius 100px. That means the div, the rectangular div will be converted into circle. Here I am using margin top 200px and margin left colon 200px. I am saving it, and in 100% I am just copying this property and removing border radius from here, setting background color as pink, copying width and height. This is the basic width and height of the element. So in this case, in 50% timestamp, the rectangular shape will be converted into circle, and 100% timestamp, this circle element will be converted into rectangular again. Here I have used margin top 200 px. Now I am just erasing. Okay, I am using margin top 0 px and margin left 400 px. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Okay, you can see the animation. This is the way by which a developer can create animation using keyframe property. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any query regarding this tutorial, please comment me. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.